This is Alard item Y5032. This is a Scott Turbon high shear, and I mean very high shear mixer, a model HRS6B. It is all stainless steel. It has a pretty fabulous 60 horsepower motor on it. It is on this lift and swivel pedestal so that you can lift this up and swing it into a vat or a barrel or a tank or what have you. It has this really nifty high shear head on it, and it is here in stock, as we're about to show you, in very good operational condition. So we're going to start up this 60 horsepower motor. You may see the lights dim just a little bit. That's pretty exciting. That thing makes the air move. So we moved this out here where we've got a little more ceiling height to work with. We're going to run it up and down and swivel it. The machine didn't come with a control system. You would either have to roll your own, or you would have to obviously pay us to put one on for it. But, and that's why we took some of the guides and things like that off. We're just going to show it going up and down and that it works and swivels. So fire away, Mr. Josh. We don't have the world's most pneumatic here, so everything is a little slow. But we'll show it going up and coming down. And again, we took the guides off because we didn't have the limit switches and everything in place to really regulate this thing in a fine, granular manner. So that's why it's swiveling a little bit by itself. So that's just the machine doing its own thing. And now that it's up, we're going to swivel it. Oh, there it is, boom. You see the whole thing? Yeah. And we're going to activate the little swivel motor up there to show you that that works. And what else is part of the show? We're going to let it down? Okay. And there she goes. Okay, so there we are. I think that is just about it. There we go. Boom. So there it is. That's our Y5032. It is a Scott Turbon high shear mixer. It is 60 horsepower, and as we've shown, it runs well. It raises, it lowers, it swivels, ties your shoes. It is here in stock at Alard Equipment Company. If you have any questions about this, what it does, what it doesn't do, how it does it, or whether we have something bigger or smaller or different, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And again, available right here at Alard Equipment, this lovely Turbon, Scott Turbon mixer, high shear head, in stock at Alard Equipment, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York. Our reference number Y5032.